Hello everyone and welcome to another cooking video. Today we are in Poland, hypothetically. Me and my mother, we are making pierogi today, which is a Polish dish. Join us on our Polish food journey and feel inspired to make them yourself, or maybe you're here because you actually do want to know how to make them. So you might be wondering, what the hell are pierogis? According to Oxford Dictionary, pierogis are small dough dumplings stuffed with fillings such as potato or cheese, aka that's what we're doing today, typically served as a dish with onions or sour cream. According to my definition of pierogi, if you grew up in Poland, there is an 80% chance that you ate these growing up, and a 70% chance that this is your favorite food. Like, this dish would be in my death row buffet.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna.
So we are using mashed potatoes, but you can technically use normal potatoes and make them mash yourself. This is just a lazy way of doing it. So you typically add more mashed potatoes than you would the cheese.
I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah. I'm gonna show you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my lips, and that's how much they wanna kiss you and caress you and love you till my dying day. You're the only one I need, no one else. I tell your friends, I tell your family, I'm gonna let everyone know about my love. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, 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 I really hope you love me too. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.